And I do like to support local shops or local businesses where possible, but this deal was a bit too good to be true. There's no point going into details other than keep your eye out, because it depends very much where you are. I also wanted to just quickly talk about, especially if you're getting started, it's easy to think, God, who wants to pay $50 for a pair of pliers? But they really do make a big difference. So I was very much in the skeptics category. I started out with, I can't remember, just some cheap ones I found around the house, probably from electronics or something. I don't even have them around me at the moment to show you. So I guess at the end of the day, use what you have to, but the sooner you can get yourself a nice pair of pliers, the better. You will notice a massive difference. Just, and this is first cut here, the cuts, these are interesting. The cuts are much cleaner, much cleaner. You almost don't get that bruising which you would see with cheaper ones. One other thing I would say is you got to be careful with them. These cutting edges are very soft. I did one screw up on these by doing the unthinkable. I think I was trying to cut a small bit of wire, and you will really ding the jaws on these. You can see there's a couple nicks in here. If you do that, don't panic. For the really deep ones, use a smooth file. In this case, this is, I think it's an old trumpeter one. Can't remember what, 60, 100 teeth per inch or something. The smooth cut ones, nail files, you don't use rough files. I wouldn't even use the diamond ones or anything like that, because these are super soft. But if you do ding it, which you probably will, you can always, as you see, just, I may as well do this because this is my old set. You can basically re-hone these edges, but they are super soft, which is good because you can sharpen them, as you see there. And I may as well do this side now. So you can sharpen them, and I think at the time I put like I say, I've done all the dumb things. So I think I put a 1mm ding in these at one point. That's a few years ago. Again, you learn the hard way. And in general, it doesn't hurt to give these a clean up occasionally anyway. Like you can see here how super soft these jaws are. And I've got a bit of 2000 grit here, so I can, what is it? 600, that'll do. So you can basically polish out any dings if they're not too bad. I've not really used any of the other brands. These are Tamiya ones, like I say. I've had these for years. I think from reading somewhere once, most of the Japanese ones come from the same manufacturer, but they rebrand them and so on. Japanese ones, yeah, they're excellent. And like I say, you might hesitate at spending the money on these, but you won't regret it. If at the end of the day you don't have it, that's fine. But make sure you do get at least a dedicated pair that you can just keep for your plastic work. Because yeah, the difference, it's chalk and cheese sort of difference. And especially if you, here on this breathing tube, whatever they call it. You can really get in and you get a fine cut, so you're not going to get bogged down in cleanup, which you just notice that massive difference. And I may as well try these new ones so you can see how close you can get in and how easy that was. You can even use these, like in this case, I think, let's see, yeah, you can take off minuscule bits, and this is probably not the best way to do it in front of the camera. So definitely, if you can do it, or actually I'd go further than that. Save up your pocket money, put it aside, and keep an eye out for the bargains, because I think these were basically half price. I almost wish I'd got two. Probably should, but yeah, save up your pocket money if you don't have them, and get yourself some decent pliers. It will make everything very different. Okay, I'll leave it there. Have fun, enjoy, like, comment and subscribe. Definitely, if you have any questions, let me know. Stay safe, have fun. Thank you.